Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. All right, so today we are going to dive into the world of color. Here we have this beautiful copper colored style. This look is absolutely beautiful and by far one of my favorite hair color trends for 2025. I just think it looks so beautiful. Here we have another play on the copper colored trend. She has a layered hairstyle and she does have some bangs going there in the front. Color once again looks absolutely beautiful. And then we have the brush stroke technique for highlights. This is a great way to give you that natural highlighted look. Hair looks like it was kissed by the sun. So gorgeous. Now, another trend that we're going to be seeing this year is the dark chocolates. We're seeing a lot of chocolate variations in general. And then we have like the wine Marlowe trend. So this one gives you like a nice dark purple. And then a very unexpected trend for 2025 is going to be this mix of blue. I'm seeing a lot of blue on TikTok, Instagram, and for some women are just gravitating towards this color. I like this color block mix here that she is rocking. And you can also rock this look out in the form of clip-ins. I think that'd be a nice pop of color. And then once again, we got that wine trend with the sweet Marlowe. The brush stroke highlight trend. So like I said, this technique gives you a nice natural sun-kissed highlighted look. The color just always comes out looking so natural and beautiful by doing this technique. So pretty. She's got a nice long mid-length cut there. Next up, we once again have the copper color trend. And this is a hair color that all complexions can rock out. You just want to make sure that your stylist goes with a warmth or the coloring that goes best with your complexion. She does have bangs here. Here's another variation as well. And what's great about this hair shade too is that you can easily get it like in the spring or summertime and then wear the look out through the fall and the winter. And then we have another play on the color block trend. She's got money piece highlights going here with this trend, pink, blonde, and brown. Another trend that we're going to be seeing this season is the Calico. Now, do not butcher me in the comments if I pronounce that name wrong, but it is inspired by the cat Calico, so I think that's really cool. Here's another play on the color block trend with the blonde and chocolate brown, followed by another highlighted look. Different variations that you can rock out with highlights. And that's just going to give your hair a nice dimensional look. So we got someone else going plummy with this beautiful plum color. This is so pretty. Beautiful wine inspired coloring. And we got another color block. Money piece highlights going there in the front. Followed by another chocolate hair color. So like I said, chocolate is going to be a huge hue for 2025. Once again, we have another play on that wine hair color trend. Cherry dark hair. Cowboy copper. This is like a darker reddish copper coloring. So pretty. Bold cherry red, another hot one. Violetta, once again playing into that wine hair color trend. Ooh, this is so pretty. Some more highlights here. Teddy bear brown, platinum blonde. Oh wow, look at that. So many gorgeous color combinations that you can try. Cherry cola red. Now that one's been trending for the last couple of seasons. Next up we have a blonde hair color transformation. So of course going blonde is always a great time. The spring and summer is always a great time to go blonde. Even if you're just going to get like blonde highlights, I think that would be fun. Gorgeous. And then she does have the darker roots to give it that more natural aesthetic. Very pretty. So she has money piece highlights here. She's going a different route this time with this copper. Or maybe that was the final result, actually. That's probably the after. So let me know in the comments below, are you guys going to be trying any of these hair color trends out this spring and summer season? Definitely a lot of reds, a lot of plums and coppers that we're going to be seeing just dominate the scene, I think. And we're still seeing a lot of that color blocking trend. So there's just a lot of really fun ways you can play with color this season. Yeah, that was the end result. So this is really beautiful. She's got the blonde money piece in the front, platinum almost. And then in the back, she has more of that wine color, the Merlot that we're going to be seeing. So pretty. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these hair trends for this season. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.